So here what we are going to do, exercise
1A. 1A.
1A.
A.
Alright, and question number
6.
6. So estimate the value of each of the following. So here we have 66.
Square
Do you
root
think
66.
66 is the square root of something?
No.
No. So it is not a perfect square.
Yes.
So we need to make the estimate. So we'll just solve it here. This is a sign of estimate. There is a number 64. Just
It
near
is
to
the perfect
66.
square of 8.
Exactly. And it is the perfect square of
8.
8. That's it. So question is solved.
Yes.
Alright. So here we have square root of 80.
Yes.
Do you think 80 is a perfect square?
No.
It is not a perfect square. So we will find a less than 80 or
Greater than.
greater than 80.
I
Is there
think
any number?
I think 81.
81. Very
9
nice.
nines are 81.
We find a number 81 just next to the 80. So if we take the square root of 81, it will be 9. 9 nines are
81.
So 9 is the answer.
Okay.
Right. Now C part.
Action.
Right. So the C part is 280. Cube root of 218.
18.
So is it a perfect cube?
No.
It is not a perfect cube. So we will see a word which can be greater than or less than 200.
I think it's 216.
216. 216 will take the. Here I will write the index. So which is the number? Yes.
I think 6.
6. 6 are 36.
36.
And 36 6 are
216.
216.
16. So this is a perfect
Very good.
cube of 216.
Very nice. So this is the answer. 6 is the answer.
Okay. Action.
So here we have 730. Cube root of 730.
Okay.
So do you think it's a
Perfect cube.
No,
No.
it is not a perfect cube. So there is a number 729.
29.
Right?
Yes.
This is the number. If we will take the cube root of 729, then the
Please show
answer
the
will be
calculator.
9.
9.
Answer will be
Okay.
9.
9. 9 nines are
Now
81.
question number 7.
9, 81.
Have we
Just
completed all the words?
Yes.
Okay. Now we'll move to the question number 7. Now question number 7. Use a calculator to evaluate each of the following, leaving your answer correct to 4 decimal places where necessary.
Okay.
Alright, so here we have
7 raised to the power 2.
7 raised to the power 2 minus
Square root 361.
square root of 361 plus
21 raised to the power 3.
exactly cube root of cube of 3. So 7 sevens are
7 sevens are 49.
And if we take the cube root, I just take 361 and it will be 19. It will be 19 plus,
Please show the calculator.
now we will find the cube, 21 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 21 and it is 9261. Alright, just let it be in my hand. Now we just solve it. First of all, we'll solve these two terms. When we have plus minus expression, from which side we start?
Left
hand.
to right.
Left to right. So plus 49 and minus 19. So check the answer. 49 minus 19 and it will be 30. 30 plus 9261. Just add 9261. So answer will be
So answer will be 9291.
9291.
Okay.
That's it.
Yes.
Now question 7 and part B. So here we have 555 square of 555 square root of 555 plus
5
of
raised to
5.
5.
Now
5 raised to the power of 2.
cube of 2 multiplied by 200 and cube root of
220.
Right, now we'll solve it. First of all, we'll take the cube root, square root.
Okay.
So it is 23.55. It's okay, let it be in my hand, Pita. It
Okay.
is just for me. Okay. 55 and 84. Right. Next is 5 5s are
5 5 are
25.
25. Very
now.
nice.
What is the cube of 2?
What is the cube of 2?
8.
8.
Right. And what is the cube root of 222? It is 6.055. Right. Now we will solve it. We'll just add them and multiply these terms. 23.5584 plus 25. 23.5584 plus 25. It is 48.5584.
Oh.
Now we will multiply both of them. 6.055 multiplied by 8, and it is 48.44. Now we will just solve it.
Oh.
This will be divided by this one.
Oh.
So here we have 48.5584 divided by 48.44. And answer is 1.0024. Okay? 1.0024. So question is solved.
Okay.
Now here we are square root of
4.
raised to the power 3
Yes.
plus square root of
4,913.
and 13. So first of all, we will solve it. How we will solve it, Shelly? First, which part will solve? This part or this part?
I think this part.
Exactly, this part. Okay, first of all, we will take the cube root of this one, and it is 17. Alright? 17. I will just show you. 17 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 17. And the answer will be 4,913. So when we will take the cube root of this, so we will get 17 here.
17.
And if we will solve it, 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4. 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are
16 4s are
64.
Oh man.
64. Now we will just take the
Square root.
square root of both of them. First we will add them.
64 plus.
Just use your brain. Mental math.
Oh
64 plus 17.
64 plus 17.
It will be 81.
Oh,
now we'll take the square root square root of 81, and it will be definitely
Definitely.
9. So we got the answer 9 here. Now have we completed all the parts? C part, and next is
D. Okay.
let me write. Alright, so the area, question number 8, the area of a square photo frame is 250 centimeter square.
Oh.
Find the parameter of the photo frame, leaving your answer correct to 1 decimal place.
It is so easy.
It is so easy. You just done that. First of all, I will draw a square here. And what they have said? The area of a square. Area means
Area when we take
length and
breadth.
So-
Length multiplied by breadth.
exactly. So the area is 250 centimeter square.
We should
So
we
find the
have
parameter. They said to find the parameter. First of all, we need to find the
this lines.
exactly.
length.
First of all, we will find the length. After that, we will multiply that length by 4.
Okay.
So we will get the parameter. So the first attempt is we will take the 250 meters square centimeter. We will just write it. Now I will solve it for you.
Okay.
First of all, what we are going to find? Area of the square.
Area.
Area.
We have to know how this 250
Area is always in the square meters.
square meters.
Cubic meter or square meter. Right? Area. We are going to find the area.
And remember, for cubic
Side
meter,
length of the square.
write 3, not 2.
Side length of the
Photo
square.
frame.
The square. I will just write square. Okay. And it will be 250.
15 square root.
It is 250, not 25. 250. We will take it. Now, what is the answer?
Okay, let's see. 1 minute, just 1 minute.
And for
Go
parameter,
for 15.81.
parameter of the square.
Is it a square root? It is 15.81.
Hanji, what is the answer?
15.81.
15.81. Right? We have taken the square of 250.
But we will
Square
change
root
1
of-
to 2.
So, parameter of the square root. For this, we will need to multiply one side to by 4.
By
And
4.
after that, we will find the parameter.
Let's see.
Now, 4 multiplied by 15.81. Now, tell me the answer.
Tell me the answer. You said we have to change the 1 into 2.
Okay, just write. It will be 63.2 centimeter. So the one side of square is 63.2 centimeter. Okay,
Oh.
so all the sides are 63.2, 63.2 and 63.2. Understand?
And the total answer.
That's it. They just said to find the area. We had given the area.
And now the
Exactly,
parameter.
and the parameter. That's it.
Okay. Every side had 15.82.
Exactly.
It is now became 63.2. Okay.
Exactly. We have taken the whole area, whole parameter.
Whole parameter. Okay.
All the
Neither
sides.
is this.
Okay?
It is not appropriate.
Sorry, it is 15. Alright, 15.8. This is 15.8, 15.8,
15.82.
8, 2 and 15.8, 2.
2.
That's it.
Okay. Yes.
So, this is the full view of the question. Now we are moving to the question number 9.
Okay.